Allow journalists access to report independently from Gaza, but the UN estimates that 60% of its buildings have been damaged or destroyed. Donald Trump has described it as a demolition site and talked of clearing Gaza out, relocating its residents to Egypt and Jordan. The idea has delighted Israel's far-right politicians who want Israelis to resettle there, and outraged Gazans themselves.
With all due respect, the US president is an idiot. We are staying put here in Gaza.
We don't want to immigrate. Why should we do that? If we wanted to immigrate, we could have done that a long time ago.
Lives already made unpredictable by war are facing an unpredictable peace. But after 15 months of conflict, these crowds waiting to go home are proof that families move, buildings collapse, but roots are not easily destroyed. Lucy Williamson, BBC News, Jerusalem.